Have you ever wondered why some people become millionaires almost overnight, while everyone else stays stuck? Because the truth is, wealth is not random. It comes in waves, and every once in a while, something happens in the world that creates a massive opportunity. An opportunity so powerful that ordinary people with no connections, no special skills suddenly become incredibly rich. And here's the crazy part. Most people don't even notice it happening. But those who do, they change their lives forever. In this video, I'm going to show you what happened the last time, how regular people became millionaires, why most people missed it, and most importantly, how you can position yourself before it happens again, because yes, it's happening again. Part 1. How wealth really works. Let's get one thing clear. Becoming rich is not just about working harder. If that were true, then the hardest working people in the world would all be millionaires. But they're not. The real secret? Timing plus opportunity plus awareness. Every decade, there's a shift, a new trend, a new technology, a new system. And when that shift happens, money flows in a completely different direction. The people who recognize it early become wealthy. The people who ignore it get left behind. Part 2. WHAD happened last time. Let's go back, not too far. Just a few years ago, there was a moment when something unusual started happening. At first, it looked small, almost unimportant. Most people ignored it, some even laughed at it, but a small group of people paid attention. They saw the pattern, they saw the potential, and they took action. At that time, you didn't need millions of dollars. Some people started with just a few hundred, some even less, but because they got in early, their money didn't just grow, it exploded. People turned $100 into $10,000, $1,000 into $100,000, and in some rare cases, into millions. And suddenly, these normal people became financially free. Part 3. Why most people missed it. No, here's the painful truth. Most people saw it, but they didn't act. Why? Because of fear. They said things like, "This looks risky, it's probably a scam, I'll wait and see." And that right there is why they missed it, because by the time something feels safe, it's already too late. Let me say that again. When everyone believes in it, the opportunity is gone. The early stage is always uncomfortable, uncertain, confusing, but that's exactly where the money is. Part 4. Signs it's happening again. Oh, here's where it gets interesting. The same patterns are forming again. Right now, if you look closely, you'll notice. 1. People are quietly making money, not on the news, not on social media, but behind the scenes. 2. Most people are still unaware. They are busy with daily life, entertainment, short-term problems. They are not paying attention. 3. Early adopters are moving fast. Smart individuals are learning, investing, positioning themselves before the crowd arrives. 4. Skepticism is high. Whenever people say, "This will never work," that's usually the beginning of something big. Part 5. How ordinary people become millionaires. Let's break it down simply. The people who win do 3 things differently. 1. They pay attention early. They don't wait for headlines. They look for trends, patterns, changes. 2. They take calculated risks, not blind risks, smart risks. They don't bet everything, but they don't sit still either. 3. They stay ahead of the crowd. They understand, once everyone joins, profits shrink, so they move early. Part 6. WHAD you should do know. So the real question is, what should you do? Here's a simple strategy. Step 1. Start learning. Don't ignore new trends, even if you don't understand them yet. Step 2. Stay curious, ask questions, explore opportunities. Step 3. Take small action. You don't need big money. Start small, test things. Step 4. Be early, not perfect. You don't need to be right 100% of the time. You just need to be early enough. Part 7. Warning, but let me be clear. Not every opportunity is real. There are scams. There are traps. So always do your research. Stay smart. Don't follow hype blindly. Outro. The last time this happened, ordinary people became millionaires, not because they were lucky, but because they were ready. Now the opportunity is building again. The only question is, will you recognize it in time? Or will you look back and say, I wish I had taken action? If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, because the next opportunity might just change your life.